The Voyager Focus 2, made by pro-grade audio and video solutions provider Poly, is a smart, wireless headset with amazing audio that's intuitive and easy to use, combining Poly's next-generation acoustic fence technology with advanced digital hybrid active noise cancellation to help you concentrate on what matters most. It features 3 levels of hybrid active noise cancellation, so all you hear is your call, while on the far end, all they hear is your voice. For the full review, visit newsbytes.ph.